Ah! 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 How do you open it? Man!
Really? Oh. Oh, it's very thick. Oh. No. My tomatoes are too big. I got big tomatoes. I don't like it. I'm gonna cut the tomatoes. We got the tomato. Oh.
Sandwich you can live on. The sandwich you can live on. And it's raining. We gotta try this abomination. I've never had Vegemite. I think about 30 years ago, a friend of mine from the UK, she was a singer-songwriter, she had me try Marmite. I have this faint memory, kind of what I experienced when I smelled this. It's got vitamin C, it's got calcium, it's got B vitamins. We gotta try it. Let's try it. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, okay, don't fall apart. It's cheesy. I don't taste the Marmite. Oh, I don't taste the Vegemite. In the picture, those cheese slices were huge. The tomato slices were huge. That's why this has to be room temperature. Let the cheese have more flavor, be softer. That's a lot of cheese. I don't taste the Vegemite. I'm gonna take another bite. I do. I'm getting it now. It's very faint. It's mixing in with the cheddar. Let's try another bite. Boy, that was cheesy. Is that too thick compared to the picture? Oh, I got some Vegemite. That's not bad. It's not bad. We have to take a taste of Vegemite alone, okay? Just a little taste. I gotta know. I can smell it. I think I remember the taste. Here we go. Oh, it's salty. Oh. You know what? It's not bad in the sandwich. That's really strong on its own. Let's take another bite. Kraft's 1968. The sandwich you can live on. Oh. I'm getting the Vegemite. It's not bad. That's very weird. That's very weird. Yeast extract. Very cheesy. Oh, it's salty. Oh, I got a lot in that bite. Wow. Hey, should we eat this for a week? If it's the sandwich I can live on, should we eat this for a week? I like it. I like the flavor. I put too much on. It's too salty. Cheese, tomato, Vegemite, and butter. Thanks for joining me this Monday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching!